Okra grows really, really fast. You gotta harvest okra about every day. If they get too big, the okra, they're tough. It's hard to eat them. You can't just crunch them. They're too tough to eat. So you don't want your okra to get too big. But you don't want to take it when it's too small and hasn't fully developed either. So a good rule of thumb that we use when we harvest it on okra is pinky size. Look at the size of your pinky, and the okra that you harvest, you want to be about at least the size of your pinky. This might be about the smallest that I get them, and you just clip them on the stem right here like that. Now, okay, this is a flower, the okra flower. You can see all the ants inside of the flower right here. They're pollinating the flower. Now they turn that flower into a fruit. It's not the size of my pinky, so we're not gonna get that one. But this one right here, boom, that one's ready. That's good eating right there. You could eat them raw just like that. You see the seeds? Those seeds have a lot of nutrition, a lot of vitamins. But you gotta stay on it. Harvest them every day. Boom. That's what it is, y'all. Stay rooted, keep growing. Pharmacist out. Bless.